Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not in my garden right now. I don't have any flowers to show you. But in this video, I wanted to discuss with you where I get my seeds and my plants. I get asked questions of where I get my roses, my dahlias, and my petunias. So I decided to go ahead and make a video discussing this. And I'm going to include the website of each of the company that I mentioned here. It's going to be in the description link below. However, I do want to say that this is not a paid advertisement. This is just for your information. So you've seen my dahlia collection. I have quite a bit. Most of my dahlias come from this company called Swan Island Dahlias in Oregon. And I've been on their mailing list for quite some time now. So every year I get this beautiful catalog of dahlias. I mean, the pictures in this is just amazing. Beautiful dahlias. Along with your dahlia order, they will send you a little booklet, a growing guide booklet, so that you know how to take care and how to plant your dahlias. I also find dahlias from our local nurseries. You can find them at Lowe's, you can find them at Home Depot. You've seen my rose collection. I have a lot of David Austin roses. I have a lot of Weeks roses. I ordered my David Austin roses on the website. And they did send me this nice booklet that talks about how to take care of your roses. And it's got beautiful pictures on it. And I also find David Austin roses from our local nurseries. I haven't found them at Home Depot or Lowe's. We're fortunate enough to have several nurseries where I live. As far as Weeks Rose, they do have a website as well. But for the most part, they do sell them at Home Depot and Lowe's. And also you can find them at your local nurseries. So I plant petunias and zinnias in my garden every year, and we grow them from seed. And we've gotten seeds, petunia seeds and zinnia seeds from Harris, and they also sell a lot of vegetables, not just flowers. This is one of the catalogs that they sent me, and they have one for ornamental growers catalog. And then they also have one, which is kind of new to me, organic seeds here. And then the other company where I order petunias and zinnias and other seeds is a Johnny seed. This is a very common, both of these companies are very common companies a lot of people order from. I do have also burpees here. They do have some flowers here, and I've ordered from them as well. So this next company, unfortunately, I don't have a catalog, but it's Brex. And they sell lily, they have tulips, they have daffodils, and I've ordered quite a bit from them in the past. I think I also ordered some of my begonias from them, but again, I'll have the website in the description link below if you want to check it out. Well, that's it for now. I hope this information is helpful. If you do have a company that you buy your seeds and your plants from, and you want to share it, please put it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. I have some hydrangeas that are blooming so beautifully right now. This is my Limelight Proven Winners hydrangea. Look at all these flowers. Just amazing. Beautiful.